I'm Chris.
I'm Angie.
Welcome to JailBreak Overlanders. We're at the Buffalo River here in the Ozarks.
Nice. Okay, it's time for another giveaway. And this time, once again, Bone Valley Knife Company has donated me not only a Bucksaw, but also a fixed blade knife. There is no purchase required. There is no jumping through hoops. You simply have to comment that you're in and be over 18 years old in the continental United States. And one of you guys is going to win the saw. One of you guys is going to win the knife. And because I'm currently in the Colorado Rocky Mountains and the internet sucks here, I'm going to use some footage from the last time I gave away a Bone Valley knife. So it'll save me on editing time. So just bear with me because all I'm doing in this video is giving you something for free. And two of you guys, not just one, two of you guys is going to win. One's going to win the knife, one's going to win the Bucksaw. And if you happen to be in my path, I'll actually deliver it to your house by hand, if you're in my way. I'm in Colorado and I'm currently pushing east, so that gives you kind of an idea. You see what I'm saying? At any rate, here we go. Okay, I've carried a knife my entire life. I do not leave the house without a knife. That's a fact. Anyone that knows me knows this. Period. I've got SE knives. I've got Azulas. I've got a Gerber strong arm. I have several Strider SMF folding knives, which is on me 24/7. I always carry a knife. So I wanted to do a giveaway, and I also wanted an excuse to buy another survival fixed blade, but I wanted a good one. And I wanted made in America. And I wanted one with a ferrocerium rod built in. Well, that's how I stumbled across Bone Valley Company. This company fit the bill. These things were handcrafted in America. He makes them one by one by one. He makes the handle, he makes the blade, he makes the leather sheaths. This fit the bill perfectly. And I ordered it Sunday. Today is Wednesday. And here it is. I haven't used it as of yet. I just got it in the mail today. But this is unbelievable. They make the knife, they make the handles, they make the ferrocerium rod, they make the hardware, and they make the sheath. Husband and wife, all right here in America. I mean, look at that. This was above and beyond all my expectations, without a doubt. This is made out of desert ironwood. You can pick what type of wood you want, coca-cola, maple, etc. I wanted ironwood, and that's what I got. Look at the detail. Okay, so here's the rundown. These guys are a small mom and pop business based right in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, where the woods, creek, and rivers are their playground. Bone Valley was launched in late 2018 due to a desire for outdoor gear that they wanted but couldn't find available. So being a carpenter for over 30 years and enjoying woodworking, he decided to make the items himself. The very first item was the folding Bucksaw. He made one for himself and for a few friends, and they all said, "You should sell these." So he decided to give it a try. And over the last few years, he has sold 10,000 plus saws online and at craft shows. And to date, they're very excited to say their saws are over 8 countries, and they're looking forward to further growth. With these encouraging sales, he decided to expand, make other items, and launch the family business. And here's the deal. The first time I did a giveaway was right after they launched, so they were a brand new company. So I am absolutely stoked that he gave me this knife, and then he gave me the Bucksaw as a giveaway. But you know how I roll. As beautiful as this knife is, and I mean, this is beautiful. This is the actual knife I'm giving away. It's brand spanking new. I haven't used it whatsoever at all, but I mean, it's made so incredibly well. He builds knives like I build trucks. Seriously, and I'm not bragging or blowing my own horn or whatever. There's no self-fellatio here. I'm just saying, this guy makes incredible gear, and the ferrocerium rod really does work, and the way he integrated it into the sheath is phenomenal. It's just beautiful, handmade, FU, made in America, in the Appalachian Mountains. What? You see what I'm saying? So the knife is going to be given away, and also the Bucksaw. The Bucksaw is something I use every time I have to make a campfire because this thing blows through logs up to and including 10 inches in diameter, and it does it fast. This is no joke. You've seen the Bucksaw hanging on my truck in a million videos because it's always being deployed. For years, I had carried a Swedish version of a collapsing Bucksaw. So it was a triangular shape, aluminum framed, with the same type of blade in it. But I got to tell you, this blade, this setup right here is made in America. It's made by a couple. It supports America. It supports the economy. And I've used my Bucksaw for 4 years. Since the same one you're seeing in that video right here, I still carry on my truck right now. And I still haven't even had to change the blade. These things are just phenomenal. And it's amazing how simple it is and how quick it breaks down. You simply pull out that piece that's in the top right there, unwind it, and the whole thing breaks down into 3 pieces. It's sick. It's crazy. And again, made in America. And where we stand right now as a country, we need to stick together. We need to keep every single mom and pop shop that we can think of up and running as long as they sell a viable product. And Bone Valley, without a doubt, sells a viable product. Having something like this that's this small that packs away in a backpack, in the corner of your vehicle, in your trunk, in your cabin, wherever, is absolutely a smart thing to do. That's why I already have one. They sent me another one, and I'm giving it away to you. So here's the long story longer. In order to enter, simply share the video, like the video, and comment below that you're in. That's it. Don't write me a paragraph. Don't write me a short novel. None of that stuff. I'm in. And then we'll do a random number thing. We'll pick the first person will win the knife. The second person will win the Bucksaw. It's as easy as that. At any rate, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I will return the favor. I am out.